Hey guys, I want to bring you in real quick to show you what I did with my leftover potatoes from the crab boil that I did, and I'll link the video to that on this video. And all I did was the leftover potatoes from that crab boil. I went ahead and put it, took it out. Also used all the dressing or all the dipping sauce from it. And I went ahead, got some shrimp, seasoned it only with this. I heated up my potatoes with everything that I had, and I chopped some onions, and that's all that I did, I promise. And check it out. This is done. This is going to be dinner. So if you have leftover, don't throw it away. Just use it. Just kind of give it a facelift, if you will. And this is what we're having today. It's very easy to do because all you're really doing is seasoning your shrimp. Now, if your shrimp, these are done already, you don't want to overcook them. But I just heated up my potatoes, and when they were nice and heated up, I added my onions, and then I added my shrimp that I lightly seasoned. And that's all I did, you guys. Thank you for watching. And there you have it, guys. All I did is chop some green onions over it for garnish, and it's good to go. Enjoy. If you like this video, you know what to do.